Okay, welcome to our test review. We're going to go through these problems one by one. Please follow along. Okay, look at the first one. This is how we're going to the standard form and identify the coefficient. So, the standard form tells me that I'm going to figure out what the degree is of each term and put it in order for each degree to least degree. So this degree is 1. This degree is 1. Then one's degree is 2. That's just going to add up the exponent of each term here. Degree. This degree is 4. This degree is 3. So if I'm putting it in order, I'm putting it in order from greatest to least. When you change this, and then you can make sure my negative stays with the right term. So my first term would be negative 2x to the 4th is 4 is the biggest plus 3x to the 3rd plus 2x biggest 3x squared plus 3x. Yeah, the coefficient of the first term with the standard form. My coefficient of the first term, my leading coefficient is negative 2. Important. What I need to change that. So the negative logic. We have problem number 2. These fancy words. It's very common. Okay? I've classified this already. So I want to make sure that it's in standard form. So I'm going to put it in order of degree from greatest to least. You should change this to plus negative 3x squared. And I end up with this degree is 3, this degree is 2, this degree is 1, so where is cubed plus negative 3x squared plus 3x. And the leading coefficient is 4. The polynomial of degree 3, because the term of the greatest degree is 3. So a degree 3 is going to keep going. I'm going to count the number of terms I have. I have 1, 2, 3 terms. This will be on the cubic trinomial. So my terms. So the first thing I'll make is change. So I'll have 2x plus 2x plus negative 2n plus negative 4 plus 3x. So let's see here. This term's going to say I've got 2x and I've got 3x. I combine those and I'll have combine these add. And if it's 1 x plus, so I have an m term plus negative 2n. Negative 2n. Here's negative 4. No other constants. Negative 4. Number 4 says to add these two polynomials. And when adding, it's great because you'll notice there's actually the number in front of the parentheses. It's 1. If you want to distribute that, you could, and you end up with exactly what you started with inside. So I just have 1 out of one of my parentheses up and drop those. Shortcut there. So I end up with 5c squared plus negative 3 plus 2c squared plus negative 3c cubed. Now this is something about combining my like terms. So let's see. Now I cannot combine my p squared and my p to the third. They're not like terms. When it comes to like terms, it has to be the same exponent raised to the same variable raised to the same exponent. So, but I can combine 5p squared and 2p squared. So when I combine them, which add, I end up with 7p squared plus, I have a negative 3 here. I can't combine anything else. So negative 3 plus negative 3p cubed. Besides standard form. Yes. Just write that. Negative 3p cubed plus 7p squared plus negative 3. change. So, that was contraction. Plus negative 14 plus negative 8. Remember, I'm adding, I just put 1 in front of each of these parentheses. Answer what I hear with those parentheses. Rewrite this nicely as negative 4k to the 4th plus 14 plus 3k squared plus negative 3k to the 4th plus negative 14k squared plus negative 8. Negative 8. Now I'm going to combine our like terms. Only combine terms that are like to it. Same variable raised to the same exponent. So I have a k to the 4th term, and I have another k to the 4th term. So I'm going to write that as negative 4, negative 3 is negative 7, negative 7, k to the 4th, plus 14, and I have a negative pointer. So 14 plus negative 8, 6. Gives me negative 11 k squared. Very good. I'm not happy yet because it's not the standard form. It's to raise 4, it's to raise 0, it's to raise 2. So it's not the right order. So we're going to negative 7 k to the 4th plus negative 11 k squared plus 6. Now, standard form, the leading coefficient is negative 7, and it's a fourth tip. Number 6. What is the time? Good side. Now we can subtract. So, every deal is going to change like normal. Plus negative 3. Oh, I'm subtracting right here. This is the big idea. I'm going to change this. I'm going to leave the first polynomial. Change that to a plus. Now I'm going to change this whole thing to negative. There's not a number in front of it. There is truly a 1. Make that negative 1. So now I have 4n squared plus negative 3 into the 3rd power plus negative 1 times 3n cubed plus 4n. Now I know I can remove the parentheses. My first polynomial. The c that has to distribute the negative 1. So 4n squared plus negative 3n plus, now we're going to distribute. Negative 1 times 3n squared is negative 3n cubed. Negative 1 times 4n is negative 4n. Oh, I've got 2. N cubed, I can combine with another n cubed. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6n cubed. Here's squared plus negative 4. Can I combine this term and this term? No, not. N to the 3rd is not the same as n squared. It's a raised to different exponents. Can I combine n squared and n? No. 7. Subtract, I do the same thing. Don't forget, there's really a 1 here. And when I change that negative 1, it's going to become plus negative 1. So I'm just going to rewrite this just to make it easier for you. 3 plus negative 6 n to the 5th plus negative 8 n to the 4th. I know that whole thing should go in parentheses, so I'm just going to take them off since there's really just a 1 in front of it. Plus negative 1 times negative 6 n to the 4th plus negative 3n plus negative 8n to the 5th. Now I'm going to do my distributing first before I try to combine anything. to the fourth is 6 n to the fourth. Negative 1 times negative 3n is 3n times 3n plus negative 1 times negative 8n to the fifth is 8n to the fifth. Now, let's do one other terms. I'm going to just go ahead and do it with the highest degree first. Starting to so negative 6 n to the fifth and 8 n to the fifth. 2 n to the fifth. Plus negative 8 n to the fourth and 6 n to the fourth is negative 2 n to the fourth. Plus, there's 3 over there, plus 3n. Plus 3. Actually, simplify it into the form, and we put 2 and sequential polynomial. Okay, now I'm going to multiply 3r times 7r plus negative 8. So I'm going to distribute. The important thing to remember is I need to be able to multiply my polynomials. So I'm just going to write this out for you. This is really going to be 3r times 7r plus 3r times negative 8. That's what happens when I distribute. Now, 3r plus 7r. So remember, I'm just multiplying my nominals, so I'm going to multiply my numbers first. I'm going to get 21. R times r gives me r to the second power. R times r is r to the second power. Remember, each one has an exponent of 1. You can use your exponent rules. You can add your exponents. You can just write it down. Write it down. 3r times negative 8 is negative 24r. And I'm done. Number 9. Let's see. Oh, these are just nominals. I'm going to write numbers first. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. I'll write that better for you. Negative 8. S squared times s. S is just s to the third power. 2 plus 3. Just write that. T times t to the third is t to the fourth. I'm done. Oh, let me know this is one. Number 10. Multiply this and distribute. Distribute by 8. Everything by 5. So 8 times 8k is 4k. Plus 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. Okay, going to the next page. Okay. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this expression. This is what we're subtracting. And remember, when you're doing the right division, when you change it, what are you going to do to that subtraction right in front of that polynomial? You're going to change that to plus negative 1. Here we go. Plus negative 1 times that whole thing. So I'm going to rewrite that to make it easier for us to understand. 2x plus negative 1 times 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. So I'm going to bring that 2x down. Now let's distribute that negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x squared is negative 2x squared. Plus negative 1 times negative 3x is negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Can I combine it in like terms here? Oh, yes, x and x. So let's combine those. Well, I'm going to keep my x squared first. What's the other formula going to do? Negative 2x squared plus 5x plus negative 4x. So we're going out on the 12. Here, so do multiplication first and then add like terms. Yeah, that's what kind of that tells us to do. So it looks like we're going to be doing our distributing first. And then we write this, leave chain, change it. I end up with 3, whoops. Hold on, Brandon. 3 times x squared plus negative 5. Minus 4. We're going to do that. I'm going to change that. Plus negative 4 times 7x plus negative 4. So leave chain, change that. And leave chain, change that. And leave chain, change that. Now I'm going to multiply first. I'm going to distribute those numbers and run those polynomials first. So I'm going to get 3x squared plus 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Plus, now I'm going to distribute negative 4. Negative 4 times 7x is negative 28x. Plus, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. What can I combine? I have one x squared term. I have one x term. I have negative 15 plus 16 is 1. Rocket. Find the perimeter of home planes. Well, I know that if this side is 3x, this side is 3x, and if this length right here is x squared minus 1. I'm trying to find the perimeter. All I'm doing is adding up sides. So I can go ahead and I can write this whole thing out. I can say 3x plus 8 minus 4x, keep that in parentheses, plus 3x plus x squared minus 1 plus x squared minus 1. And you could have also done differently. You could have said at the top plus 2 times this side right here. The top plus 2 times that side here plus 2 times that side there. You could have done that math also. Probably would have done. But now I know that I can remove my parentheses here, so I'm going to just pretend like they're gone. Everything. Just adding everything. I'm going to do my negative. Let's do my 3. I'm going to do my x terms first. 3x plus negative 4x. That gives me negative 1x. Negative 1x plus 3x. 2x. X, that's the x squared terms. This is nothing combined with the x terms. So I'm left with 2x. That's 8. I have a negative 1 and a negative 1. That gives me 6 plus x squared is x squared. That means 1x squared plus 1x squared, which gives me 2x squared. If I write that in standard form, 2x squared plus 2x plus 6. Quadratic trinomial is the coefficient of 2. Okay, find the perimeter of the length row. Perimeter means I'm adding up all sides. This time I'm going to do a little more interesting. I'm going to do on my perimeter. It's going to be 2 times y right here, which is 3r minus 1 plus 2 times my width. So I'm going to do my multiplication. I'm going to get, it's going to work right across the field. My perimeter is going to be equal to 6r plus negative 2 plus 8r. When I combine my terms, I get 14r plus negative 2. Okay, find the, let's get 16 to talk about the row. Find the area of the fancy row. I know my formula for area is length times width. Right? So I've got my area is, I'm going to go ahead and put my width first because, multiplication is needed to r squared plus 4r times negative 1 is negative 4r. Last thing we're going to do, we're going to figure out the volume of this box of cards. Volume of the box of cards. The volume is length times width times height. I can do any order. My numbers first. 3 times 2 is 6 times 4 is 20. X to the third times x is x to the fourth times x to the fifth is x to the ninth. And that's 2. Let's change it. Let's make this be 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. I want you guys to map this. Now. So now, I can write this as my volume is 3x to the third times 4x to the fifth times 2x plus 1, which I keep in parentheses, which is root. So I'm going to do these first, easier. So my volume is going to be equal to 12x to the 8th multiplied times 2x plus 1. Got myself in a distributive situation. End up with 12 times 2 is 24. 24, x to the 8 times 8 plus 1, 9. Oh, x to the 9th plus, 24x to the 9th plus 12x to the 8th. And good luck. Study your notes about how to classify terms. Make sure that you can figure out the difference between two polynomials, and you understand what that means. Combination or combining or total of two polynomials, and adding. You're going to find area, perimeter, volume, and don't forget to study your exponent rules, because those are going to be on the test as well. Everything from first section and this next year, last year test. Good luck, everybody. Come and ask questions, and I will see you in class.